Discrete versus continuous in Tableau. Hello and welcome to Skill Curve. I am Roida and we will be learning about discrete versus continuous in Tableau in this video today. Continuous variables are used to describe a range of numerical values. Discrete variables are used to express specific categories or groupings. For accurate and efficient visualizations to be produced in Tableau, it is essential to comprehend the distinctions between discrete and continuous data. Let's start by defining what we mean by discrete. To indicate different categories or groupings in the data, discrete fields are employed. These variables, which are commonly represented by blue pills in Tableau, may be used to filter data, specify the level of detail in a display, and build groups or hierarchies. A discrete field could be used, for instance, to represent various product categories or geographical areas. Contrarily, continuous fields are employed to represent a variety of numerical values. These data can be utilized to build computations, carry out aggregations, and provide context to a visualization. In Tableau, these fields are often represented by green pills. A continuous field could be utilized to represent sales income, temperature, or time, for instance. On our worksheet, we can view the data here. As you can see that the subcategory can have nothing in common here. So obviously it will remain discrete and only create labels for us. To create an axis, we need a continuation of numbers such as sales. Let's drop sales onto the row to create axis, since it is a continuous measure. To add level of detail to our visualization, let's add subcategory to the column. You can see that labels are added here. You can right-click on the labels here to see that now you have the option to rotate labels, which you will not find in any other case. Another thing to notice is that any field which is discrete will always be shown by color blue, while continuous is always represented by color green. Commonly, we find that dimensions are usually discrete while measures are continuous. However, there can be an exception to this, and we can have another set of possible combination, that is a continuous dimension and discrete measure. Even then, what remains same for discrete and continuous is that discrete will always remain blue and create labels, while continuous will always remain green and give us axis. Let's add dimension ship date to the column, and you can see here that its blue color represents discrete dimension. It has also generated labels. Now add dimension order date to the rows. From the drop down, you can convert it to continuous and see that it has changed color to green and now generated axes instead of labels. This is what is called a continuous dimension. Thank you for watching this video on discrete versus continuous in Tableau. We hope you found it helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below.